If you've ever created artwork in Photoshop and it's all in one layer and you want to break it into multiple layers, let me show you a script that can help you do this automatically and in a matter of seconds. So what we're looking at here is some lettering that I made, and I want to be able to change the spacing and move each individual letter around. Now currently I can use the selection tool, select each letter, and then switch to the move tool and do this one letter at a time. But I would find it easier if all of these letters were on separate layers. Currently you can see they're all on one layer here in the layers panel. Let's break all these letters onto their own layers. So first I'm going to make sure that my layer is selected there in the layers panel. And then I'm going to go up to File, Script, and the script that I installed is called Split to Layers. And so now a little dialog box comes up, and the only setting you want to change is the one up here, split when gap is larger than, and a good safe number that I'll use maybe is 10 pixels. And this just makes sure that you don't break apart too many layers. Like if there's any little tiny pixels or something close to the letters, those don't really need to be on separate layers. So we'll just hit OK. It's gonna just ask me to confirm that it's gonna create 46 layers. So I'm just gonna click yes. And in, I don't know, maybe 3 seconds, it just split all of those letters each onto their own layer. And now it's just easy. If I use the move tool, I can move them around. So now I'll show you where to find the script. It's on a website called Photoshop Scripts. I'll leave a link to this in the video description. And there's just a little option there to download Split to Layers. You click that and it will download to your computer, your Mac, your PC, whatever it is. So once you've downloaded the file, you can open that. It will be a zip file, and inside of it will be 2 files, split-to-layers.jsx, that is your script, and readme.txt, which is just an instruction of where to put this script. So you're just going to want to copy the script file and then head over to your applications folder on your computer, wherever that happens to be. I'm on a Mac. I'm going to go over to Adobe Photoshop 2024. That's the current version of Photoshop that I'm using. I'm going to go to Presets and down to Scripts. And as you can see, Split to Layers is already installed. You just need to make sure you paste your little guy in there. Of course, the next thing you want to do is restart Photoshop. And once you've done that, you go to File, Scripts, and you should see Split to Layers there as an option in the menu. If you found this video helpful, please let me know with a comment. And if you want to see more tips like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.